There it is again, a blur of legs disappearing beneath the cabinet. It may look like the worst creature you could find inside your home. But while you sleep, this strange visitor begins hunting the insects you really do not want to meet. And killing it might remove one of the few predators already working in your favor. So, what exactly does a house centipede eat? Why does it suddenly appear in bathrooms, basements, and dark hallways? And when is seeing one harmless, but seeing several a warning that something else may be living inside your home? Before you reach for a shoe or a can of insecticide, let's uncover what this lightning-fast hunter is actually doing after dark. This is the house centipede, or Scutagera coleoptrata, a nocturnal predator built for speed. An adult has 15 pairs of legs. The rear pair can grow especially long, making it difficult to tell which end is the front when it races across the floor. Its striped body usually remains relatively small. Most of what you notice is the extraordinary span of its delicate legs. House centipedes avoid open, brightly lit spaces. During the day, they hide in cracks, beneath objects, and inside dark, humid areas. At night, they emerge to hunt. They are not looking for people, beds, or stored food. When one races in your direction, it is normally searching for the nearest shadow or escape route, not preparing to attack. Bites are uncommon and usually happen only when the animal is trapped or handled. What makes this animal unusual is its menu. House centipedes hunt cockroaches, silverfish, moths, flies, small spiders, and other arthropods that live inside buildings. Many of these insects hide in places that are difficult for us to reach, beneath cabinets, behind baseboards, around pipes, and inside wall voids. The centipede can follow them through narrow gaps using its flattened body and widely spread legs. It does not build a web or wait beside a trap. It actively searches for movement. A cockroach may be faster than many household predators. A silverfish can disappear into an opening within seconds. But the house centipede combines speed, reach, and sensitivity in a way few indoor hunters can match. Its unsettling appearance is exactly what makes it so effective. The hunt begins with the antennae. They constantly sweep across the surface, detecting obstacles, vibrations, and possible prey in the darkness. Once the centipede senses movement, it accelerates with surprising speed. Its many legs are not simply used for running. They also form a flexible cage around smaller animals. A house centipede may use some legs to block an escape route, while other legs hold the prey in place. It can even restrain more than one small animal during a successful hunt. Modified front legs called forcipules deliver venom to subdue its prey. This system is designed for small arthropods, not for chasing humans. What looks chaotic to us is actually a coordinated hunting strategy. Antennae search, legs surround, and the predator strikes before its target reaches the nearest crack. But why is this hunter inside your house at all? House centipedes prefer moisture, shelter, and a reliable supply of prey. That is why they frequently appear in basements, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and areas near pipes or drains. Small gaps beneath doors, cracks in foundations, and openings around plumbing give them access and places to hide. Humidity helps them survive because their bodies can lose moisture in dry environments. But moisture alone is not enough. A house centipede also needs food. If insects such as cockroaches, silverfish, or flies are already present, the area becomes an ideal hunting ground. In other words, your home may be offering everything it needs. Here is the important part. The house centipede usually did not create the pest problem. It may have arrived because the problem was already there. Finding one centipede does not automatically mean that your home is infested. A solitary animal may have wandered indoors through an open door, a basement window, or a small foundation gap. But repeated sightings can reveal something worth investigating. Predators remain where they can find prey, If house centipedes consistently appear in the same room, they may be feeding on insects hidden behind walls, beneath flooring, or near moisture sources. Killing the visible predator removes the messenger, but it does not remove the conditions that attracted it. The more useful question is not simply, how do I kill this centipede? It is, what is this centipede finding here? If you see one house centipede occasionally in a basement or another low-traffic area, leaving it alone is often reasonable. It will normally avoid people, hunt small pests, and return to cover. If you do not want it indoors, you can carefully trap it beneath a container and release it outside, without touching it directly. The situation changes when sightings become frequent. Several centipedes appearing in different rooms may point to excessive humidity, numerous entry gaps, or a substantial population of prey insects. Look for additional evidence: cockroach droppings, damaged food packaging, silverfish, persistent flies, moisture stains, or activity around drains and baseboards. The centipedes themselves are not necessarily the infestation. Their numbers may be telling you that your home supports a much larger food supply than you can see. Start by reducing moisture. Repair leaking pipes, improve ventilation, and consider using a dehumidifier in damp basements or bathrooms. Next, inspect the routes insects use to enter and move through the building. Seal cracks around foundations, baseboards, windows, and plumbing penetrations. Replace damaged screens and install door sweeps where necessary. Then remove what attracts the prey. Vacuum along walls and beneath appliances. Store food in sealed containers. Clean crumbs and spills, and reduce clutter that provides hiding places. Avoid spraying insecticide randomly across floors and baseboards. Indiscriminate treatment may kill visible insects without addressing moisture, food, or structural gaps. It can also expose people and pets unnecessarily. If you continue finding numerous pests, or cannot identify the source, contact a qualified pest management professional. The goal is not merely to kill the hunter. It is to make your home less attractive to everything it ate. So, the next time a house centipede races across your floor, pause before you reach for the nearest shoe. It may look frightening, but somewhere behind a cabinet or inside a dark crack, it has been hunting the insects you would dislike even more. What would you do now? Kill it? Move it outside? Or let it finish the hunt? Tell us in the comments. And next time, we are leaving the darkness beneath your cabinets for a different kind of night visitor. One that once filled summer evenings with tiny flashes of light. But the firefly you remember from childhood may be telling us something we have failed to notice.